There are a ton of quality dash cams on the market right now, but which one is going to be the best for you and your specific needs? Well, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best dash cams in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget dash cam, one that includes a rear camera, or a high-quality camera that captures footage in detailed 4K, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. A great choice for a small dash cam that you can mount without obstructing your view is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini. Coming in at a price of about $125, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini has a tiny design that can still capture footage in HD and has a quick-release mount for easy removal. Built with a compact design that measures 1.23 by 2.1 by 1.15 inches, this car key-size dash cam is small enough to discreetly mount behind your rearview mirror. Once you mount it, setup is easy. All you have to do is plug it into the vehicle's power source and it will automatically record and save videos of incidents. It has a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures crisp 1080p HD footage, which you can save to an 8GB microSD card that's Class 10 or faster to ensure all your footage is stored safely. The built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity uploads saved footage to your smartphone running the Garmin Drive app for convenient connectivity. The Garmin Drive app allows you to view, edit, and share your dash cam footage. If you use multiple Garmin dash cams to capture video in front of or behind your vehicle, the app uses Dashcam AutoSync to set up a network and sync recordings among up to 4 cameras. That way, if there's an incident, you can easily see the footage captured from multiple viewpoints. The app is great because it will also automatically combine and organize the media files so you can easily find and view them. Included in the box with the dashcam is the low-profile adhesive mount, vehicle power cable, and both long and short USB cables. The mount has a quick release function, so it's easy to remove if you need to adjust the camera's position or remove it. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini is the best mini dash cam with a profile that's easy to hide behind your rear view mirror, wide-angle lens that captures footage in HD, and a companion app that helps edit and organize your videos, making it a great choice for small vehicles and everyday use. For a dash cam that shoots high-quality 4K footage but still provides excellent value, I recommend the Verratek C800 Pro Dashcam. With a price of only about $90, the Verratek C800 Pro Dashcam offers a great value with night vision and motion detection features to keep you safe, while its G-sensor locks in the most important videos to keep the files safe. With measurements of 7.76 by 5.63 by 1.93 inches and a 3.17-inch IPS screen, this dashcam can shoot an Ultra HD 4K video quality for smooth, clear event recording with bright details. A linear 106-degree viewing angle gives an undistorted image that is true and clear to best film the road ahead. This dashcam is easy to set up and use just by plugging it in. Recording starts when the car is started, so you don't have to manually turn it on, and video is saved to an SD card of up to 256 gigabytes. It also features ultra night vision thanks to the Sony CMOS dash camera sensor. This sensor delivers stunning low-light video quality with its optimal f1.8 aperture lens that provides video capable of clearly showing cars, street signs, objects, and intersections in detailed 4K even at night. To help capture accidents, the C800 is equipped with motion detection and 24/7 car monitoring that activates when motion is detected and stops when movement activities have stopped. The looped recording feature will keep capturing footage even after storage is full by automatically recording over the oldest videos to always save the newest video feed. If there's an incident, the emergency recording function with a G-sensor will lock in the video during accidents so it can be used as evidence and will not be erased by looped recording. The Verratek C800 Pro Dashcam is the best value 4K dashcam with a very reasonable price that still gets you amazing features like night vision, motion detection, and looped recording. It's also easy to use just by plugging it in, making it a great option if you want some extra peace of mind for your drives. To give yourself extra viewing angles, you might want a front and rear dashcam. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo comes with both in one convenient package and may be the choice for you. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo costs around $250 and you get 2 cameras that offer amazing detail in all kinds of weather and includes features like night vision too. The front camera measures 3.25 by 2 by 1.62 inches and has a 2-inch screen to let you conveniently see what's being captured by the 140-degree lens. The rear camera measures 1.95 by 2.05 by 1.24 inches with a Sony 2-megapixel sensor built in and can capture footage at full HD resolution. The sensor on the front camera is a Sony 8-megapixel sensor and it has a more detailed resolution of Ultra HD 4K, letting you see precise details of any incident even in rain, snow, or other weather conditions. Features that make this a great value are night vision, a parking mode, motion detection, automatic emergency recording, loop recording, and GPS tracking, making this a package well worth considering if you cover a lot of miles and want total camera coverage. The GPS logger records the speed and route data in the video file and displays the data on playback. It also keeps the camera's clock synchronized with GPS time so that the video files are correctly time-stamped. What's useful is that you can check the GPS route in the Viofo app. The camera is built with a high-quality supercapacitor to ensure a more stable power supply and longer lifetime. This supercapacitor is great because it ensures the dashcam will maintain excellent performance from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit in extreme hot summer and cold winter temperatures. The camera is compatible with micro SD cards with a maximum of 256 gigabytes of storage, so you have lots of storage at your disposal. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo is the best front and rear dashcam with amazing video quality on both cameras and lots of extra features to make it great to have in any situation. Next up is an amazing dashcam with front and rear cameras that has loads of features and gets our recommendation for best overall dashcam. The THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dashcam costs around $430 and has Wi-Fi and GPS functionality to give you alerts when speed cameras are coming up, and an especially wide lens captures footage in 4K. The front camera measures 2.6 by 4.3 by 1.4 inches and shoots in native 4K, while the rear camera is more compact in size and captures video in 2K for detailed video from every angle. The wide-angle lens has an 8.42 megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor and captures a scope of 150 degrees, letting it see a large amount of space to keep you extra secure. What's especially great is that you can choose whether you want footage to be recorded in 4K at 30 frames per second or lower the resolution to 2K so that you can capture footage at a smoother 60 frames per second, making it easier to make out details like license plate numbers. It also boasts a comprehensive driver assistance warning system to help keep drivers safe on the road by using GPS to indicate when speed cameras are coming up. The advanced driver assistance system can also warn of potential forward collisions, lane departures, and front vehicle departures. Utilizing the super night vision technology, the U1000 is capable of reducing visual noise and recording impressive videos in low-light environments such as dark roads and dim parking lots. There's even an optional parking surveillance mode that records events triggered by impact and motion, so you can see exactly what happened in a collision. The package includes the 2 cameras as well as a 12-volt power cable, hard wiring cable, CPL filter, and 32GB microSD card for a complete package right out of the box. The THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dashcam is the best overall dashcam with 2 high-resolution cameras and loads of features including warning systems. This is a great dashcam for safety-conscious drivers. If you're on a budget, then our final product could be a great choice for you. Priced at only about $55, the Verratek C500 is a budget dashcam that's easy to set up and records in full HD video while still providing useful features like motion detection and low-light recording capabilities. This small dashcam measures 7.8 by 5.59 by 1.89 inches, and the small size means that the camera does not need much room and can be installed discreetly so as not to block your view or become distracting. The C500 is easy to set up and use and can be installed in a few minutes. It automatically turns on when your vehicle turns on for easy instant recording. It has a 2-inch screen on its rear, while its lens shoots footage at 1080p at 30 frames per second. This high-quality playback captures colorful, clear, sharp details of cars, street signs, and license plates. There's also a really great screenshot function to capture any images you need to quickly and easily. The wide-angle lens has a view of 140 degrees and is capable of capturing large intersections and wide roads without added distortion. The C500 also has superior low-light capabilities, which is very welcome at this price point. You'll be able to keep recording and get detailed video and pictures even at night or in dark or low-light conditions like inside parking garages. The automatic motion detector is a car security feature that records video when vibration or movements are detected. Like with the Verratek C800, a G-sensor feature allows for emergency recording in the event of an accident, making sure footage is safe, secured, and cannot be overwritten even by loop recording, which this camera also features. The Verratek C500 is a great budget dashcam with a very affordable price that doesn't sacrifice essential features like night vision recording or motion detection. It's easy to use and a great option if you don't want to spend too much or if you're a new driver who wants the added security. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.